Welcome to Sightseeing Tube channel. Today we'll take you on an exciting journey through Istiklal Street, one of Istanbul's most famous and vibrant streets in the world. Whether you're planning a trip to Istanbul or just curious about this amazing city, this video is for you. Let's get started. Istiklal Street is located in the heart of Istanbul. Istiklal Street is a must-visit for any tourist. Istiklal Street is one of the liveliest streets in Istanbul, with a history dating back to the Ottoman era. This street, formerly known as Grand Avenue, is now the heart of commercial and cultural life in the city. It stretches 1.4 kilometers from Taksim Square to Galata Tower. It is the perfect place to shop, dine, and soak up the lively atmosphere. Istiklal Street dates back to the 19th century, when it was known as Pera Street. It was a hub for the wealthy and aristocracy, lined with mansions and luxury shops, major landmarks. During our tour of Istiklal Street, we'll stop at some major landmarks that make this street an unforgettable destination. Taksim Square. This square is the starting point of our tour and is considered a symbol of modernity and liberation in Turkey. Here you can see the Republic Monument. Istiklal Street Tram. The nostalgic tram is an old tram that has been operating since the Ottoman era and still runs along the street today, adding a historical and magical touch. Saint Anthony of Padua Church, one of the largest Catholic churches in Istanbul, built in the early 20th century, and worth visiting for its stunning architecture. Flower Passage, Çiçek Passaggio. This narrow passage is one of the most beautiful places on the street, filled with restaurants and cafes, serving traditional Turkish dishes. Shopping on Istiklal Street. Istiklal Street is a shopper's paradise, offering a diverse range of stores, selling everything from clothes and shoes to souvenirs and handicrafts. Famous stores on Istiklal Street: Hafiz Mustafa, renowned for its Turkish sweets and baklava; Beymen, a department store selling clothing, shoes, and accessories from global brands; Vako, another department store selling clothing, shoes, and accessories from Turkish brands; Victoria's Secret, a popular lingerie store; Zara, a well-known brand offering trendy clothing at affordable prices. Dining on Istiklal Street. Istiklal Street is lined with restaurants and cafes, serving a variety of cuisines, from traditional Turkish fare to international delights. Popular restaurants on Istiklal Street: Çiğ Sofrası, a renowned restaurant serving traditional Turkish cuisine; Mikla, a Michelin-starred restaurant offering modern Turkish cuisine; Hafiz Mustafa, 1864, famous for its Turkish sweets and baklava; revolving restaurant, perched atop Galata Tower. This restaurant offers stunning city views. Mandabatmaz, a historic cafe known for its Turkish coffee and tea. Events on Istiklal Street. Istiklal Street hosts various events throughout the year, such as musical performances. Live music performances are common, especially on weekends. Theater shows. Plays are staged at Zorlu Center, a theater located near the street. Festivals. The street hosts festivals like the Istanbul International Arts Festival. Tips for visiting Istiklal Street. Wear comfortable shoes. You'll be doing a lot of walking. Carry cash. You'll need cash for food, souvenirs, and other expenses. Prepare for crowds. The street can get quite busy, especially during peak seasons. Learn a few basic Turkish phrases. This will help you interact with locals and get around more easily. That was our tour of the famous Istiklal Street in Istanbul. We hope you enjoyed and got to know this wonderful place. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to get all our latest videos. Share your experiences in Istiklal Street with us in the comments, or if you have any questions. See you in the next video.